Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 23. If y cubed equals 64, what is the value of y to the power of negative 1/2? Before we start, let's review on what is y cubed mean. Is 3 factor of y the product of 3 factor of y. So what is y to the power of negative 1/2 mean? If we see something with the negative powers, it means you can make it positive by flip it over. So do the reciprocal of that, we will have 1 to the power of 1/2. 1 over y to the power 1 over 2. Then y to the power of 1/2, which is square root of y. So we can see this one at a to the power of negative n. A is the base, any numbers, right? So 1 over a to the power of n. And we have the root, let's say the root n, root m, let's do m, root m of a to the power, let's do p for the power. That is equal a to the powers over the root m. So in this case, we have the power is 1/2. It means the power is 1. So anything with the power of 1 is itself. And root 2 is just display at the radical symbol. We don't have to write out the 2. Alright, so let's solve this one. So we have y cubed that equals 64. So we cube root both sides. So y that equal 4. And how we know y is 4? To doing good in this test, we need to know the multiplication chart from 2 to 12. We need to know the square chart from 2 to 20. For the cube chart, we need to know from 2 to 5. So we will find some numbers that multiply by itself 3 times equal 64. Just like y times y times y equal 64. So the only numbers fit in is when y equals 4, you have 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. Okay, so we already knowing y to the power of negative 1/2, that is 1 over square root of y. Now y is equal 4, so 1 over square root of 4, that equal 1 over 2. So this is the right answer. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.